you will be coming like out as an angel. You're so funny. Yeah. We'll go. बस हम ऑफिस चेयर देख रहे हैं. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're in the world. So, हम निकल चुके हैं मेरे हाइड्रो फेशियल के लिए. ये एक्चुअली मैंने मेरी वेडिंग के टाइम पे लिया था, तो कुछ 3 सेशंस या कुछ थे. मुझे लगा था मेरी मदर इन लॉ एंड मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ जाएगी, बट दे आर नॉट दैट अ बिग फैन ऑफ इट. तो एंथनी ने बोला यू नो व्हाट, वापस से तेरे लिए बुक कर देते. एंथनी के लिए भी बुक करना था बिकॉज ये लास्ट 2 बचा था, बट देन इट्स लाइक टाइम मैच नहीं हो रहा जो हमारे अपॉइंटमेंट्स है बाकी चीज़ों के लिए. तो मैं कर रही हूँ इस बार, एंड देन जो लास्ट बचेगा लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट टाइम जब एंथनी आएगा तो एंथनी कराएगा कि नहीं. तो येस, हाइड्रो फेशियल होगा अच्छे से, एंड देन मैं जाऊँगी मेरी हम दोनों जाएंगे साश एंड मॉम के साथ लंच करने के लिए. का अपॉइंटमेंट है एंड हो रहा है 9:21. हमने सोचा जल्दी से कॉफ़ी ग्रैब कर लेते हैं सुबह की शुरुआत, बिकॉज एनर्जी थोड़ी डाउन है. क्या लिखा है वहाँ पे? एक्ट, सिंग एंड डांस. दैट्स नाइस. Oh my alien.
There's no sugar in it though.
That's fine. That's what I want. No sugar. But you know what?
It's a cool place, isn't it?
Cool place. What do you mean?
We'll come back after and we'll get some food here because
Really?
we'll make it. There was no pastries or anything from what I could see.
Why are we coming here?
This is weird because, you know, actually in the back it's got an actual theatre.
I can see here. I was like act, sing and dance. They're promoting all this.
They do like theatre things in the back.
I would love to. I would love to do it. So quickly वो check करने गए कि ये pregnancy safe है कि नहीं, बिकॉज मैंने पूछ लिया कि देयर सर्टन थिंग्स जो वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. बेटर टू आस्क. सो मैं नहीं कर सकती. थैंकफुली मैंने पूछ लिया प्रेगनेंसी सेफ है कि नहीं. सो एंथनी विल डू इट नाउ. आई एम हैप्पी बट एटलीस्ट इट्स नॉट. What? What did you say?
It doesn't come out in the rash or react.
Might not. No, don't worry. You will be coming like out as an angel. What? Shut up. Not going for baby shopping right now. Let's go and get like, oh my god, I can't even touch your face now.
Dave, you need to let it breathe and rest, okay?
Oh, I see. I guess it's a mark of that why she put it on your head.
The trauma I went through.
How was it, my alien? How was your experience?
It's a horrible experience.
Seriously?
No, I loved it.
My god.
Does it make a big difference?
It does make a lot of difference. Beautiful, right?
Clean and clear.
Clean and clear, gentlemen. I'm happy when you do such stuff.
You heard what she said though, right?
What she said.
About
You
my
have a very
skin.
good skin. I just can't believe you use your expire product. So we're all ready and going for lunch. Right, brushing. And then after that we're going to go and meet developer. Builder. And then
We'll go to traffic centre.
traffic center after that. That's Auntie Jan's car. Sports car, just like her, sassy. Both sisters are sassy, and the cars are like also sassy. What did you call? John? Did you just call it again? Who is John? Thank you. Yeah, Pushka.
That looks nice, doesn't it?
Who's that handsome boy? Who is that handsome boy? So cute. What else? Can't believe he's noticing all this. You're so funny, yeah? Going?
Yes, darling.
Come on, we'll go. So sweet. So हमने किया प्रॉपर लंच एंड ये फैमिली टाइम में मिस कर रही थी एंड आई नोटिस्ड वन थिंग कि मॉम साश लाइक सिस्टर इन लॉ आंट जो एंथनी की मौसी है हाउ दे ऑल लाइक स्प्लिट करते हैं बिल्स डजेंट मैटर कौन कितना कमा रहा है क्या इट्स ऑल अबाउट द सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट और एक पर्सन पे वो बर्डन ना आए मैंने देखा है जो ज़्यादा कोई और कमाता है या कोई कम कमाता है तो एक कोई पे करता है उसी पे सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अगेन एंड अगेन विच इज़ नॉट रॉन्ग वो हर कोई करता है बट देन उसी पर्सन पे ज़्यादा वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है बट द सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट इंटैक्ट रखना और ये बिल स्प्लिट करना just shows that you respect other person hard earned money as well and that's all you're here for, right? I mean, I like that the way they split the bill, my alien, right? Even if it's your own mom, like just like respect, right? And if अगर मैं उनको बोलूँ कि no हम पे करेंगे they feel this very disrespectful so I can't even like force ये सिर्फ might be मेरे यहाँ वैसे चलता है जहाँ से मैं हूँ बट यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं चलता है तो जब एंथनी मुझे चिमटी काटी आई गॉट इट ओके आई हैव टू स्टॉप माय थिंग नाउ आई डोंट हैव टू से दिस एनीमोर कि हम करते बिकॉज दे फाइंड इट डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल समथिंग आई लर्न टुडे शॉपिंग्स आर लाइक नेवर इनफ इट्स नॉन स्टॉप राइट बेबी शॉपिंग हम आ गए शॉपिंग करने वापस बिकॉज कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो पूरी हो ही नहीं रही है चली जा रही है Daddy's choice I love it oh she's gonna love this I love this yeah
so that's more of really a let down cut so that's what you would put on one breast these are available in washable form as well so that's a manual one as well yeah
so all these pads look insta cooling relief pad for me
so it's pure choice yeah I mean that's their electric pump but they do a manual but I don't think we've got it at
electric and manual both if we need in future it's all postpartum section what is that it's like
a lot of the stuff you can probably
get online
use yourself if you only use your own product.
For office I imagine dark brown, for kitchen I imagine light, something light, cozy, warm, baby shopping, done not done kind of thing. So घर का देख रहे हैं अभी ऑफिस वुड एंड किचन वुड्स देख नहीं रहे आइडिया ले रहे हैं for breakfast and all is nice
Because it splits the purpose. So let's say you have the kitchen this side, so you've got like a different feel this side, you've got this bench, then that side is a bit more formal.
True. And
it splits
many
it.
people can fit in.
3 people could get on this.
One, actually 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
It's only 7 people invited in Christmas.
You know, get some extra chairs around. if
Extra
you need.
chairs around if you need it.
And this extends as well.
Well, look, so this has little space here as
This
well.
would extend this bit in the
Extend.
middle.
What do you mean? This chair. Those हम office chair देख रहे हैं. This is nice, comfy, right? Doesn't come forward.
I was looking at this as well.
So shopping हो गई है ख़त्म. Anthony's gonna eat Chinese food and I'm gonna eat my Indian food. Finally, I always say, but baby shopping कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती. Postpartum का भी जो है वो हमें बहुत कुछ ऑनलाइन मंगाना पड़ेगा. हमने पिक्चर्स क्लिक की है ताकि लगेज फुल ना हो. अमेज़ोन में ही मिल जाए तो अच्छा है. But really long day and tiring. So let's go home. आज डेवलपर का नहीं हो पाया. But let's see कब हमें अपॉइंटमेंट मिलता है.
I think you have stocked up to be honest
Yeah,
with
I
you.
do.
Yeah, we have stocked
I
up.
can't think what As she kind of wants.
I don't think there's.
No, that's all.
Well, let us do some research because it depends what kind of. We spoke to the lady and she said, well, different ones depend on the type of bottle you might be using.
Yeah.
The type of material.
I'm not
Is she?
Yeah. What's up with that? Chop it up. Jesus Christ.
I was impressing you by
you know
doing
the-
that swirl or
You're on
something.
the plane now, you know. That'll do. Jesus Christ, I tell you.
Mom, do you know they twist and turn like that
Twist and turn like what?
after serving?
Twist and turn?
Yeah, the bottle.
You mean twist and shout?
I don't know what.
I don't understand what it is. Song.
They do something like
Twist and
that
turn.
for the drip.
I noticed that then.
Yeah, see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I noticed
Right?
that
Did you like that? Did I impress you? I said,
then.
yeah.
Well, have you not noticed me doing that all the time?
No,
I do
never.
that all the time.
no.
I could walk and
Only
go there,
professionals can do that, right, Charlie? He taught me. Charlie taught me how to do it. You did, right? You did. You did. You did. So मेरा जो है स्किन केयर हो चुका है एंड मैं जा रही हूँ नीचे मॉम डैड के साथ बस मेरा खाना खाना बाकी है उनके साथ चिल करोगी अच्छे से एंड मॉम ने जो गाउन पहना दिया ना मुझे obsessed. You waiting for me? You waiting for me? I know why you waiting for me. Here you go. Here you go. Gonna warm up my food now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my god, Charlie. I feel bad for you. It's okay, you eat Indian food with me.
It's been out as well tonight. Charlie.
Thank you so much.
Want to try?
Oh,
Try.
try, yeah. Oh, it's better. Thank you, thank you.
There you go.
थैंक यू सो हो गई है सुबह एंड एज यूजुअल मैं व्लॉग ख़त्म करना भूल गई सो प्लीज़ सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई व्लॉग एंड टेक केयर गुड बाय एंड आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग जो मैं अभी स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ